In today's video, I'm going to teach you where is Brand Kit feature in Capcut PC. If you've been wondering where to find the Brand Kit inside the Capcut desktop app, and why it sometimes doesn't appear until you upgrade, this walkthrough will make it clear and easy. First, open Capcut on your PC. Make sure you're signed in so you can access workspace features. If the app recently updated or you haven't opened it in a while, give it a moment to load your account data. You'll land on the main dashboard, which shows your projects and the navigation sidebar. Next, head to Spaces. Depending on your layout, you'll see Spaces in the left sidebar or near the top navigation. Spaces are Capcut's way of organizing work across personal and team environments, and certain management tools, like Brand Kit, live here rather than inside an individual project. Click into the space you use for your brand or team. If you're in the wrong space, you might not see the option you're looking for, so switching spaces is a quick fix. Inside your chosen space, look for Brand Kit. It typically appears alongside other space-level tools and settings. Click Brand Kit to open it. This is the central place to store your brand assets, logos, color palettes, and preferred fonts, so you can apply them consistently across videos without hunting for files each time. It's especially helpful if you collaborate with others, because everyone in the space can pull from the same approved assets. If the Brand Kit panel doesn't open and you see an option to upgrade, click Upgrade to Pro. Brand Kit is a Pro feature in Capcut, so the upgrade prompt is expected if you're on the free plan. Clicking the button takes you to the subscription page, where you can review plan details and complete the upgrade if you choose. Once Pro is active on your account or space, return to Spaces and Brand Kit will be available for adding and managing your logos, colors, and fonts. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see Spaces, confirm you're using the desktop Capcut app and you're signed in to the correct account. If Brand Kit still doesn't appear after upgrading, restart Capcut to refresh your workspace permissions. And when you set up your Brand Kit, name your colors and upload high-resolution, transparent logos so they look clean when scaled. That's it. Open Capcut, go to Spaces, click Brand Kit, and if prompted, click Upgrade to Pro. With that, you'll know exactly where the Brand Kit lives and how to unlock it on Capcut for PC.